Hello, good day everyone. This is my first long format upload video for 2025 and Happy New Year to you. I hope you're doing alright for this year. And now, come with me and let's install with the new rear view monitor for this van. By the way, this monitor is for the rear reverse camera so that I can see what's behind the van. And you'll be asking why not put it in the head unit, and I can do that because this van only you can only fit a one din or single din head unit here, no monitor. So yeah, so that's why I'm using this rear view monitor for the reverse camera. And to replace it, we need to remove the glove box, take out the seven Phillips screws. I'm using a short screwdriver which I bought online, so it's very helpful. And that's it. Yeah. And time to inspect if the harness of the new rear view monitor is perfect fit for replacement. And this is the harness for the new rear view monitor, and as you can see, it's almost the same, exactly the same with the old one. But time to inspect if it surely is, and yes, thumbs up. And some more inspection and planning how to install it, because I know the wire or the socket for this new rear view monitor is a much shorter than the old one, so I need to time to plan and what cable should I use to have it installed. Yes, it's much shorter, and I need an OEM look install for this one. Yep. And by the way, this our channel has been approved as a YouTube program partner. So thanks for supporting me and the channel. Hope you continue to view and like, share, and subscribe. And you can absolutely expect a more video that can help you in your DIY project. So that's it. So thank you and have a, have a nice day. But here is the new rear view monitor, a mock-up connection. So this one is the input for the video one, the reverse cam, the yellow one, and the other wire is connected in the reverse camera and connected in the reverse light. So the new rear view monitor will take its power directly from the reverse light, and it will trigger, that's it will trigger the monitor to turn on when you are in reverse. Same synchronized, same with the reverse light. Yep. My new rear view monitor is much smaller. So this is the old connection for the old rear view monitor, which has a independent power line which has a fuse to it, 12 volts. And the reverse light power will be the trigger for it when you put it in reverse. And this is the final connection. And I've used a additional RCA female to male extension. Yep, that's it. And try time to try it out if it's gonna work. So let's put the gear in reverse, and that's it. That's a display area, enough for me to see what's behind the van, so just alright. And if it's off, it's just like a normal rear view mirror. Yes, very nice. A much classier look. And that's my reverse camera. Yep, very useful, especially when you are doing a reverse parking or a parallel parking. This is how it looks, the driver side, driver seat. Yes, very nice. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed our install. Bye.